If you're looking for a cost-effective pathway and structured learning path into cybersecurity without spending money today, then this video is for you. Don't skip this video, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I am taking the same pathway and how far I am going with it. Okay, let's get started. The first step you're going to take is introduction to cybersecurity. And I have just the best material for you and the best video for you. It is what I use, and it gave me a clear understanding of the field of cybersecurity, how it connects with other sectors of IT in the internet world. The link to the video is pinned down under the description section. Step 2, register for ISC2 free cybersecurity training. Okay, that I recommend very fast. You start off with the training and try as much as possible to finish it and get a free certificate. Their training is free. Currently, their goal is to train 1 million cybersecurity technicians or practitioners all over the world. So make good use of this opportunity and get a certificate on cybersecurity. Step 3, you're going to register with either TryHackMe or Hack the Boss for some hands-on practice. Okay, or what I did when I was starting was, after registering with ISC2, I also went ahead to get TryHackMe. TryHackMe has 2 versions. They have the paid version, the premium version, and I had the free version. So there's a lot you could learn and understand with the free version before you could go ahead and decide if you want to pay or not. Okay, while you're doing that, you could be kind enough to subscribe, hit on the notification bell so that when we bring tips like this again, you will be aware and you will be on the first to know. Number 4, it is not mandatory, but it is required that you get AWS Cloud practitioner training and certificate. Okay, why AWS? Okay, AWS gives you a grand knowledge of networks, tools, and also interconnects with most of the things you might be seeing on your first day during your job. Okay, so it is not compulsory, but it is advisable if you can get it. Then on-the-job training, you try as much as possible to get an on-the-job training company. The one I am working with currently is Each One Teach One Tech, a non-profit registered apprenticeship program. Okay, what they do is they have a life support center where they intercept real life with threats, incident responses, all those stuff that you're going to be seeing in the real world. You're going to experience it firsthand in this registered apprenticeship program by Each One Teach One Tech. Getting your first job, that is the ultimate goal of all this training. So once again, let me recap it. The first thing you're going to do is go to the link below. You'll see Introduction to Cybersecurity. Once you're done with it, step 2, you go to ISC2 and get started immediately. Get the training for your certificate. Then number 3, you at the same time, you could do this at once while you are doing the training with ISC2. You can as well be doing TryHackMe or Hack the Boss rooms so that you could combine your knowledge together. Then number 4, like I said, it's not compulsory, but it's advisable. Get your hands on AWS Cloud practitioner training and certification. Okay, then number 5 is on-the-job training. If you're looking for the perfect place for your on-the-job training, then send a message to the group or just drop a comment and I'll point you to the right direction. I'll point you directly to Each One Teach One Tech, where you get full hands-on the job training for your cybersecurity. And that is it, guys. This is a structured learning pathway for you into cybersecurity without breaking your banks, without paying today. And I believe this information was helpful. Before you go, you could be kind enough to subscribe, hit on the notification bell so that when we bring tips like this again, you will be aware and you will be on the first to know. If you share it, I'm going to go, oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's Brian, and see you some other time.